Logan. Calm down, little buddy.
Oh no, we gotta try to get him to lay down. He's gonna think you're drowning him.
I'm not drowning you, look. On the contrary, I'm trying to keep you healthy and cute.
Oh, he likes it.
I think he kind of does. He's petting me like a panther, look. You can just look at that if you want to.
Make sure you wash his belly where it's like super yucky.
Well, I'm not gonna get under there right now.
I know.
Okay?
Oh.
I still like you. I promise.
Yeah, that's a good way to do it. Outside of the water.
Soap.
Soap.
Okay.
At least he's not like an asshole cat who like just wants to claw you until he gets out. Oh, it's okay. Don't fret, little babe. I still love you.
We understand.
Aww.
Oh, okay. Don't make me feel bad. I'm just doing this because I love you.
Oh, at least you're not getting his face all wet. Like, look.
You want out now, Logan?
Let's dry you off.
Okay.
He like has the water all soft in him. Oh wait, let's get dry you off.
I'm gonna make you a dry look, time.
Look at me.